Update your WhatsApp call with AI generated backgrounds. Say goodbye to boring and hello to fun, professional or creative settings within a few steps. But firstly, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use AI video call backgrounds on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Navigate to the chat of the person you wish to call. You can do it by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar to find a specific contact. Once you are in the chat, tap on the video call icon at the top right corner of your screen to start the call. Once the call connects and the other person picks up, you are ready to personalize your video call. While in the video call, tap on the filter icon. This is represented by a stick icon. After tapping the filter icon, you will see a range of option. Look for the background option and click on it. Choose your AI generated background. Here you will be presented with multiple AI generated background to choose from. Select the one that best suits your vibe. So this is how to use AI video call backgrounds on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.